To create a new contact, you'd go to the main menu under Contacts, select the sub-menu item called Contacts, and click on the green plus button. That will launch the new contact form. When you start typing in the first or last name, the system will search for similar records in the system. If you happen to find the record that you are entering, you can simply click on that record and it'll open up that contact record so you do not create a duplicate. In this case, we want to go ahead and create a new contact and demonstrate how that works. So I'm going to go back to the contacts and click on the green plus button, which will load the new contact form. And I'm going to go ahead and enter my contact information in. As I enter the company name in, it also searches for similar company records in the system. In this case, I found the company record that I'm looking for, so I can go ahead and select that. The system will ask you if you want to copy the address, phone, and fax from that linked company record onto your contact record, and I do in fact want to do that, so I'm going to say yes. And you'll see that copied down the general office phone number and the office address information, so I didn't have to retype that. At this point, you can fill in any other information that you happen to have on this contact. In the form, this is all general information, direct phone number, mobile number, any of that information that you happen to have. I can select the contact type. This happens to be a prospect that I'm working on. By default, the relationship contact will be the user that's logged in. In this case, I'm logged in as Robert. If you're creating this contact, your name would be here. If you're creating this contact for someone else, you might be an assistant, you're creating this contact for a broker, you can simply remove your name and type in person you're creating this contact record for, and go ahead and create the relationship type. In this case, Robert has a personal relationship with this contact. Under permissions, you have an option to change the permissions. Default is everyone can view, but you can change this to only me or teams I've selected. If you happen to have a image of this contact, you can add that here, and it'll load in. At this point, you can go ahead and click the submit button, and you'd be done. If you have additional information on this contact that you want to store, you can click on the Show More fields, and this will load all of the contact fields available on the contact record that you can fill in, like website, additional phone information, alternative address information, mailing and greeting information, additional vendor information. Once you've filled out all the information you have on this contact, you can just click Submit, and the record will be created. It will load the contact master view that you just created, and you're done. If you have additional questions on how to create a new contact, you can contact our support desk, and the email information will be below this video in the description.